That sure was the rain world.
Alright, GG.
That was the most rain of all worlds.
Yes, the story of Rain World. I only saw green.
Yeah.
See you later, guys.
Oh. Weapons taken.
I'll figure it out.
You're coming with me. Oh.
You know, you're coming with me.
Oh my god. Alright, we have to go, we have to go, we have to go.
We gotta go.
We gotta go.
I'm up here.
I am being called again. I'll be back.
No, you
Crouch,
have
crouch real
no,
quick,
you're
crouch real
in,
quick.
you're
Crawl,
in.
crawl, 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 crawl.
Literally get in right before you go.
Jesus Christ. Oh.
You are an asshole. You know, you remember how to pounce, right? Press down so you're crawling, and then hold jump, and you were too close to the edge when you pressed it down. Okay. Okay.
Sweet.
Okay. Okay. We should not go that way.
No!
Where'd my spear go? Who took my spear?
Oh, help him out.
Okay.
You almost pushed me off. I want to throw this rock at you.
Give me that, please.
Your friend. Oh. Alright, let me go help you out by just coughing out random bullshit.
Sorry. I didn't see. Ah.
Bitch!
Okay, take camera by pressing, Why are you just crawling around?
He's a slug and slug cat. Guys, I'm not feeling so good.
What are we doing in here?
Sleeping. Why do you just have a snail? And there it
worked.
goes.
It actually worked to calm you guys down.
Are you trying to make another flashbang? No, as I see him reach for the rock and blue fruit.
Oh, nice.
Why are you bullying the fat kid? Whoa, you have to move over slightly. You're hitting your head. You want to see something funny? Watch this. Watch this. I grabbed him.
Oh no!
I'm alive.
Where?
I'm alive.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Damn.
Oh, God is here.
No, no.
God is
Let me
here.
out. Let me out.
You can't get me.
God is here. How are you doing that? God is here.
Let me out.
Why
Let me out.
aren't you?
God is here.
Who cares about Jeffrey?
Hit exit.
What?
Hit exit. Awesome. Hold on, I'm coming back. Ow!
I am so sorry. Get him.
Probably go and help them.
Oh, that was 2 lethal bites, really, in a row, bruh.
Oh my god, what the
What are you
heck?
two
is going-
doing? Careful, don't fall down.
Oh,
As I'm gonna go talk to the merchant. See if
You don't
he
have
wants-
a pearl.
Do I need a pearl?
Yeah, you are in the drink.
My doll.
I'll fall off.
How do I get out?
Jump,
Don't dunk the kid into the water like a toilet.
Dunkachino.
What is that over there?
That's a scav. We gotta get moving. Moving.
Oh yeah, yeah. Fuck it.
Ow!
Oh no.
Ouch! Run, just run. Just go right.
Oh
go
my
right.
God,
Just
you're-
go right.
You're